Create a new sketch and choose a vertical construction plane. Use your line tool to create a base. Use the spline tool to give your vase a form. You can spend more time on this form later on when you know the workflow for the vase. For now, I'll just create a simple form. Use the line tool to close the sketch and then finish your sketch. Use revolve around the blue zeta axis. Select Shen to remove the inside of your vase. Use fillet to give the edges a smoother and friendlier touch. Select your vase and search in the Autodesk Fusion 360 library for a nice appearance. That's how you create a vase in less than 2 minutes. You can spend more time on the design now when you know the workflow. Subscribe to the channel and get more tips and tricks, and check out this video and learn how to convert to sheet metal. Thank you. Bye.